We get a lot of patients, they were afraid to come to the dental office, and then we want to make sure they're comfortable to provide them the different kind of treatments. Could be from a removable denture, could be from a denture with some locators, with 4 implants, with 6 implants. It depends on their needs. So basically there's a solution for each case. Their main concern is always, how can I get my smile back? How can I eat a steak? So for each kind of treatment, there is a solution, there is a treatment, there is an option. And sometimes the denture is in a good condition. What we do is like we add some implants and we can utilize that denture to make sure that it's functional for the future treatment. Some people, they just don't want something removable, and we provide the option of fixed implants. So what we can do is like we can add multiple implants on each arch, and patients can leave the same day with teeth. So the options of fixed prosthesis, patients, they love that one. And the reason is like they can leave the practice and start eating right away, like without removing the denture, worried about where they left the dentures or if the denture smells bad or something. So what we do is like provide them the same day after the surgery, the fixed prosthesis, and then in a couple of months we wait for the healing and we can provide with the final restoration. One of the most popular prostheses we use here, material, is the zirconia prosthesis, and patients love it. And the reason they love it is because they can go back right away and eat the things they used to eat before they had their illness. They can start eating steak, apple, and any kind of things. And the good thing about this material is that they last very long. And the only thing they have to do is just come for a regular checkup, and that's it. They will never take it out from their mouth, not even when they come to their normal check-in. With the proper care, the patients at home and the regular checkup in our office, that prosthesis can last a long time. Here at Houston Dental Aesthetics, our main goal, since you give us the first call, is that our team member make you feel comfortable. Even when you come to our office, we'll make sure you're welcome and we're giving you the best dental care. So even from the clinical team and the administrative team to work with you with the finances. So ultimately, when you leave our office, we want to make sure you're happy with the result provided to you and the best dental care that you're expecting.